positive message. I will speak with you later.
Shall we take the national anthem?
I want to also use this opportunity to put it on record that media activism is not just about exposing the ills in the society. It is also our duty to applaud where necessary. Hence, our words of commendation for your outstanding, commanding contributions to democracy in Nigeria. And of course, in a brief moment you've served as minister, we are already seeing your impact, and we're already feeling your impact. And we believe that in the months and years to come, we'll all gather to applaud you and celebrate your phenomenal achievement as a minister of the nation's capital. Your Excellency, in this regard, we are also asking for your support for our ongoing and upcoming initiatives. These include capacity building programs for our colleagues journalists, which will empower them to provide more informed and insightful reporting. We also seek your assistance and support for the forthcoming National Media Conference in Abuja, the same that you assisted and funded in Rivers State. This conference serves as a platform for taking a critical look at the media landscape and political developments in our country. It sets a template for progressive leadership in Nigeria, and your support will be instrumental in making it a huge success. Your Excellency, lastly, we wish to draw your attention to the need. I must recall that some time ago, when I also visited your predecessor in office, the former minister, immediate past minister of the Federal Capital Territory, I did raise this particular issue, and this time around we are bringing it up again. We want to draw your attention to the need for land to establish a media village for journalists in Abuja, the nation's capital. Such a facility would serve as a hub for journalists, fostering collaboration, knowledge sharing, and innovation. I think most states of the Federation already have this media village, or villages as the case may be. It will be an interesting one if during your time in FCT we were able to have this in the nation's capital. In conclusion, we thank Your Excellency for granting us this audience today, as we look forward to a collaborative and fruitful relationship that would benefit the people, benefit the media, and benefit the Federal Capital Territory. Thank you very much, sir.
Just recently, where Mr. President go and do the 5-kilometer roads in all the area councils. Open up the communities, not only the city. Let them also have a feel, an impact of the FCT administration. 5 kilometers per local government in 8 months. You're talking about 30 kilometers. It is unprecedented. It has never happened. So these are things we feel that you should also highlight and let people know. You have heard a sort of people saying this. I can tell you the truth. You see, in performance of our job, I don't know where you come from. I don't know what religion you belong to. All I know, development. That's the only name I hear. And that's only what I want to hear and see. The right thing must be done. The right thing must be done. I don't know which party you are carrying. I don't know which ethnic group you are carrying. I don't know which religion you are carrying. All I know, the President said, we must make sure Abuja returns to what the founding fathers had had in mind. And in doing that, we know we will step on toes. You cannot do governance without stepping on toes. Then you are not prepared. You are not prepared. So many people misinterpret every action we take for their own selfish interest. People have been here, applied for land. Lands were given for the development of FCT. People refuse to develop such land, allow miscreants to take over the place, restart development in the FCT, and then somebody has come. No, we can't continue that way. If you don't want to develop, there are people who are willing to develop. So you get out. Some people say it's vendetta. Vendetta against who? Some people apply for CFO. Under the CFO, you see where you must pay your grant yearly. I don't need to write you to pay. Failure to pay means that you will lose it. And then somebody now comes to say, this must be implemented. Oh, River State is not like Abuja. I'm aware that's why it's not called rivers now. That's why I know. If it was the same place, they would have said rivers. But whether it is rivers or it's not rivers, the issue is development. There are no two ways. Just comply. And when you want the government to do things, where will government get the fund from? Where will government get the fund? Abuja does not collect 15% derivation. So tax is the only thing we have here, and we must utilize it. So even if you're affected, it's not my headache. If you like, put my name in the front pages of your newspapers. Abuse me, I don't even know. I don't think about it. But things must be done. Now you're asking about land. I will not give land without you signing for me that you will develop it so time. There must be that commitment. There must be commitment. When do you want to develop this land? If you don't develop it at the time, you say, what do we do? It will go back to us. This is what I want, sign for us. It's not just to come and take our land. Later, you go and sell our land for 4 billion. Land that was given to you free. So, these are things we should. Who's going to build this media village for you? Yeah. It's very expensive. Yeah. I hope you are not also coming to partner with us on that, because we don't have money to even partner. But we'll support you wherever you think we should support you. Because the media should be our friend. The media should be our friend. That's why, as a governor, I've always supported the media. Yeah. Even to host the Guild of Editors, I did severally. So one is not afraid of supporting the media. This is not where it is in the budget. It's not in the budget. No. I don't want to hear that grammar. That's not in the budget. We must support you for this conference. We must. So, Prime Minister is in business to say you must go and find the code where it must be in there. We must support. You know, when they don't want to do something, they say There's nowhere to find in the budget. But when they want to do something, it's in the budget. So we will support you, and they are sure that we'll give you all the necessary support. But also let Nigerians be patient with Mr. President. We may have our biases. If we don't have a country, then what are we talking about development? There must be a country. We must have a different narrative, change our mindset. Governance is not a miracle. It's not magic. Governance is step by step. I will do this now. In 2 years' time, this is what I expect. All of us were crying, FCT was dead. Yes, we have come to see what we can do. Some people are not happy. We are taking measures that are hard, but which is for the interest of the FCT. So also Mr. President is taking measures that are hard, but in the long run, will be to the benefit of Nigerians. So we must be patient. Something that has been bad, you don't expect overnight. But what you will see is, has he shown leadership that he's ready to correct these things? Yes, he has shown leadership. Yes, he has shown the capacity. The result will come. I told people when I was governor, I was trying to do this and do that. It was inconveniencing, very bad for commuters, for business people. So everybody was abusing me. How can a man carry four flyovers at the same time? Don't you know that he's not willing? He just came to steal the money and go. I told him, yes, just be patient. I believe in 2-3 years, I believe medicines would have been over. But the grace of God didn't even take the 2 years. When the project finished, now commuters were seeing it, oh, Port Harcourt is fine. Oh, the church changed the landscape. You now, as you are driving, it's like you're an overseas fruit, down. That is Nigeria for you. We are so impatient. So that is the same kind of decision Mr. President is taking now that appears to be strong, to be hard. We must make sacrifice. So at the end of the day, we'll all rejoice and say, yes, our country has taken a shape. Leadership is important. And when you have shown the strong leadership, the result will come out. So, as pressmen, I know you have your own biases. But sometimes your own critical mind, when you're alone, reflect, ponder where we were, how things were, and what steps that have been put in place now to correcting some of those things is. Nobody wants to implement anything here because people were afraid of implementing. I said I will implement it. Nobody said that it will be Mr. Joseph that they will send you to implement. It's not true. I saw what you carried today about taxes. Yes. We have to regenerate our own revenue. You cannot carry out activities without showing that you've been complying with the issue of paying tax. That's also a way. The law has been there for long. Nobody has applied it. We have come. We have applied it. People are not saying, it's too hard. No, it's not me. The law has been there before I came. The only problem is applying the law. I have the capacity, I have the political will to apply the laws. I have it. I'm not running away from anybody. No, I have it. Me and my own minister of state, we have it. We have the capacity, we have the political will to do what is right. You've seen the publication we made about the final notice, right? Of those who have not paid their ground rate. You know, Nigeria is a country that nothing will happen. Something will happen. Something will happen. We can't continue that way. We can't. We are giving them final notice. Go and pay. That's his initial grant. You will be the one that will be carrying anything when. Go and publish it now. Something will what? Happen. After we have given the final notice, you don't pay. The law will be applied. I don't know who. Whether it is your uncle's place or your own, whatever. Somebody was talking on, he said, I don't know the party he belongs to. He said, oh, that he and his wife have sold the property. What is my business? Even that sale alone was not perfected. There was no consent. People don't understand. If you sell your land, you must go and register it and seek for consent of the minister. So the whole document is still bearing your name. So help us. Now we want to use all this money we are getting for infrastructure to change the face of Abuja. Help us. You have a role to play. The press corps here have been doing well, but I don't want to praise them too much. They've been doing well. And we have also been doing well.
Yes.
It's not only one-sided. It's a symbiotic relationship. So you can't be just one way. Did you understand? Somebody say, I love you, is it by mouth? So there must be symbiotic relationship. That is the way it's supposed to be. So we are going to partner with you. Anything you require us to support you, do not hesitate. You have the chairman of the press corps is doing well. He's relating the director of press, they are doing well. So we don't have any problem. Nobody's going on strike here. So you are welcome. And thank you so much. Thank you very, very much.